Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're making something truly wholesome. Fresh almond milk and homemade almond flour, all from just 2 cups of raw almonds. Perfect for your healthy keto and low-carb recipes. Start by placing 2 cups of raw almonds into a glass bowl. Now, pour boiling water over them until fully submerged. Let them sit for about 1 hour. This softens the skins and makes them super easy to peel. Once they've soaked, peel the almonds. The skins should slide right off. Now divide the almonds into 2 equal portions. Add the first cup of almonds with 4 cups of water to a blender. Blend for 2 minutes until smooth. Repeat the same with the second portion, 1 cup of almonds and another 4 cups of water. Now strain both batches using a cheesecloth or nut milk bag. This separates the silky milk from the almond pulp. This will give you about 2 liters of delicious homemade almond milk, free from additives and preservatives. But don't throw away that pulp. Spread the strained blanched almonds evenly on a parchment-lined pan. Dry it in the oven at 50 degrees Celsius or 120 Fahrenheit for about 2 hours, or until completely dry. Once dry, grind it into a fine flour, and you've got about 130 grams of homemade almond flour. Now you have fresh almond milk and almond flour, both perfect for your healthy keto and low-carb cooking and baking needs. And that's it, creamy fresh almond milk and nutritious almond flour, made completely from scratch with just 1 ingredient. No additives, no waste, and so much flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, so you never miss a healthy and delicious recipe from Heaven's Kitchen. See you next time.